I get loads of packages every day, and I get clothing and accessories and all kinds of stuff from PR companies and brands, so it's very exciting. And today I wanted to show you just a sample of what I got. This is from French Paris, and this is a really cute brand. They sent me fall stuff. I already love these shorts. These are super cute. I'm not going to show you everything because I'm sure I'll show you the pieces as I wear them, but I just kind of wanted to give you a glimpse of the packages that I got today. This is a cool fitness set by Camila, and I love Camila. They're an Australian brand and they just have the coolest prints ever. They are known for their maxi dresses and their caftans. Very chic company. These shorts are adorable. Hey, Louie. And the third package today is from Bobble Bar, and this is their new their new holiday collection. Some pieces from that. So I can't wait to wear these. I'm sure I'll wear them here on my channel, but that is pretty much my life every day, just receiving packages of stuff that I can shoot and wear on my social media. Guys! We are on our way to get breakfast. We're doing Panera curbside pickup, which is what we usually do in the mornings. If you want to know my coffee order, I usually get an iced coffee with vanilla syrup and an espresso shot to make it extra strong. Right, Louie? We like extra strong coffee over here. Okay, guys, I wanted to give you a little office tour. I turned the second bedroom in my house into an office. There's Louie's portrait. My office is where I like to come to style my outfits and organize everything that I have to shoot. So this rack is where I hang everything that I receive in the mail, and I know I have to shoot soon. I will hang everything up here. The home edit really helped me organize all of this because it was a mess before and I had a really small clothing rack, and they totally organized all of this for me. Over here I have my magazines stacked that I collect. Vogue Paris, of course. I have my Hervé Leger Barbie collectible here. And a lot of my artwork in here is by Oliver Gal. They have very cool art. And all of my shoes, well, I do keep my designer heels in here. I have other shoes in my main closet, but this is where I like to keep the designer bright colored shoes. This is a really cool piece of art by Oliver Gal. It's a bag of money and a Louis Vuitton duffel bag, and it has a really cool texture to it. It has like clear glitter on it. Love it. Manifesting money over here. And these are some Serena Tosh inventory I have here in my office, and I have my swimwear inventory in here for Tosh Swimwear. We have a few pieces here, always in stock. And this is the cool art that I recently got. I unboxed it on my IG stories. It's by Steven Wilson, and I haven't attached this clear frame to it yet, but this will be it'll look like this when I hang it with the clear box over it. A really cool butterfly art. Over here on this part of my office, the home edit really helped me organize my stuff. It's basically a shipping center here, and in every drawer I have, it's super organized because they did all of this for me, and they bought all of these little compartments I can keep my stuff organized in, and I've kept it very organized. so they should be very proud of me. But basically they organized all of this. They label everything: gift wrap, arts and crafts, party supplies. I do a lot of events for my brand, and gift wrap. Truly amazing what they do. Everything in here is labeled Christmas. I'm very happy about that. Those flamingos are for an event that I did for Tosh Swimwear. And behind the door over here, they even did all of my wrapping paper, which of course consists of butterflies. I also wanted to let you guys know I keep all of my Depop clothing and accessories here. Basically, I sell on an app called Depop, and I'll link it down below, but you can purchase what I've worn for photo shoots, and everything is in perfect condition, and we hang it right here. Everything is organized, and I'll link it below. You can shop my closet. Finished taking pictures in this sexy lingerie set. What can I say? The pictures came out great. Hi guys, I just shot a few looks for a fall outfit haul, and now I'm headed to Fancy James's 1-year anniversary at Fancy James Boutique. I am obsessed with this red vegan leather dress. I will link it below. And my hair is up right now, but I'm sure once I get in the car, I'm definitely going to take it down. And I paired the dress with a pair of Christian Louboutin shoes, one of my favorite pairs. I'm literally doing this as a joke. I'm giving Fancy James a bottle of rosé, but I don't have a bag for it, so it's literally in a Dior little makeup shopping bag. It looks cute though. I just arrived to Boca Raton, where James's store is. Look amazing.
The drama.
The shoes.
Of course.
Shoe cam. You know I'm here with the camera.
Oh no, not today.
I love it. This is the best fettuccine alfredo that I probably have ever had from Matteo's, and this is an Italian restaurant in Hollandale Beach.
I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire.